today I learned a lot from Rudy and really made it clear for me, so for something that I can't really understand, and he just gave me what I need to know. And really, it's really a very, I would say, very learning day or knowledgeable day for me. Rudy is really knowledgeable. He really talks, he knows what he's talking about, and it made it clear for me, and I think to some people too. And I would like to learn more from him because he really explained it clearly well.
I was at Rudy's office today. It's awesome training that he does for his company here. I learned that he's using our bid system, which is amazing. I don't really need it quite yet in our market because it's still a seller's market, but it's something that I'm sure is coming back. He's just an awesome person and so kind and very intelligent. It's wonderful for him to be so kind to invite us here. We really appreciate it.
What I've learned in the past few days is, one, that we do need to shift some paradigms because we need to build our own ecosystem. And why that's so important is because the market's changing and it's drastically changing. So they are building their own ecosystem and we need to do the same. So that's one thing that it's like, okay, the market's changing, things are changing drastically in a different way, so we need to adapt and get ahead of it. Something else I've learned, which I thought was very creative and unique, is that how you put together the package of list of homes when you show clients, instead of just showing them a listing or a printout that may say expired or canceled or on hold or withdrawn, which, you know, is easy to do. You need to actually extract that information, put together in a list, and just put them off market. Because now you don't have to go into the explanation of what is an expired, what is an on hold, what is a withdrawn. Because two, you might have to deal with the stipulation of someone saying, oh, well, it's expired, so no one wants a home. Why do I want it? So instead, just put it off market. And so that just opens up another tier of homes that you can show people to. So those are just a couple of things I've learned over the last few days.
And I'm so excited to being here because I have great takeaways from these 2 days events. First of all, I feel much closer to my goal, which is $1 million net commission per year in the future. And Rudy basically showed us how easily, not easily, but easier to make that achievement by using his approach he's already created as a team. And I'm definitely looking into that, how to join his team and part of the whole real estate group system, what he created. I'm right now with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and obviously that doesn't do the same way real estate as the Craig Proctor program does. So I'm so excited to being here and be part of the next level. Thank you.
And my takeaway today from today's workshop was basically that the idea of building your buyers in waiting and use that as a tool to close on your listings. He's an awesome speaker. I was pretty impressed with everything he said. His knowledge of the material and his experience with it.